baby sweetie. Just getting your presents out.
And wake up.
Waiting for you to come into the world, Raelynn. I love you. Sitting here waiting for mommy. Pretty girl. You pretty girl. So pretty, huh? I love you. I love you. You're so cute. Yes.
Have you guys done the like online wellness like organizing? Yes. I finally did it. Ball four extremities slowly, but she can. She can breathe out her own blood pressure.
You look at me, sweetie.
She's so sweet.
Isn't she cute?
She's so tiny. She's so tiny. She's as tiny as one of my baby dolls.
She is, huh?
Now I know why they're called baby dolls.
Because they're just like babies, huh?
Look at little boat hat.
Pretty cool.
You guys will let me know if you need anything, okay? We're gonna be step out for about 15 minutes, come back. Still have to do those belly rubs, okay, for another 2-3 more times, okay? Two more times. Okay.
You can kiss her head if you want.
She opened her eyes when you took that. You don't have to whisper.
What are you guys doing?
I think your filling is lovely. Thank you.
Ew. She's looking poo. Oh, dude, put it back. Put it accurately.
It's a scoop.
Yeah, I like being able to sort
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Raelynn. Hey, birthday girl. Here you go. Oh. You see what else you got? What is that?
Whoa, Raelynn. She's like, whoa, this is cool. Whoa, Raelynn, it's almost as big as her. Whoa.
What do you think, Raelynn? I know. You're gonna open it? You want me to open it?
Raelynn, whoa. She just cares about this. She's like, there's so
Is that cool? It's almost like Sissy.
Now you won't have to get into my stuff.
She's like, oh, I'll still get into your stuff, sissy.
Oh my gosh. Raelynn, you want to try?
That's so cool, Raelynn. She's all yoga on it. Oh. Happy birthday, Raelynn.
Happy birthday to you.
She's like,
Happy birthday.
you open it? Whoa. Yeah, Sissy's finally here. She finally made it. Yeah, Sissy finally. Woo! Woo! Birthday girl. Hey. Oh, big 2-year-old. You slept past your actual birth moment. She woke up too. She was born at 11. It's 11:44.
Do you want to go see your present?
You got some presents. What do you got?
What is that, Raelynn?
What is that?
Is that cool?
You say sweet? Oh.
Yeah.
All right, Pop.
Want to open it?
She's just like,
Yeah.
You're funny. Of course, that's the one thing you want right now.
Yeah, lollipop.
Raelynn, do you see you have a car here?
You want to
Whoa.
get on it?
Whoa. Whoa.
Get on it. Hold on. Wow, Raelynn, press this button. Put your feet up. There you go. Push this button. Push it.
Whoa.
Yeah, that's cool. She's just like, I'm awesome. I'm just cool.
Look at you, Raelynn. You can drive.
She likes to jump. That's
Aww.
This is really hard to open. Yeah, it's insanely hard.
That's so cool.
You see your birthday one today?
Look, carrot.
What is that?
Do you want it open here?
Whoa.
Thank you.
Whoa. You can drive, Raelynn.
Let's go. Whoa. We got it. Here. Here's the Barbie. Oh. Hair tie around her. There you go.
Aww.
Oh.
That's so cool. Can I see? Aww. That's so cool. Here you
Here's
go.
your shoes. The shoes.
You see you have a horn too?
She's gonna like that. She's like, how do I do that?
You gotta push hard. Whoa.
Got it here.
What are you doing, bud? Seeing all that action from a distance?
Do you know where the other one is? It's okay. One Wait, hold on.
Find it, right?
Let's get on this too. So you got sweet. Never mind. Take it. There you go.
Thank you.
Then we have. Ooh, there's a little like charm. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There you go. Oh, goodness. That's cool. And then there's this, all that's left is this and this. Oh. Up down. Tear it. Do it. Down. Here. Wow. Here, let me get these open.
Oh,
She's just like, oh, cool.
fancy.
What? Fancy balls.
What?
No. You know. Say no. Wow.
You want me to do it?
I got it. Kinda.
Oh, let me see one. Oh, that's real nice.
Look at it.
It's everything I imagined.
Bouncy ball.
Oh yeah. These are so sweet.
Take this one in.
I
Wow.
don't say anything.
I know what you guys are asking, and no, we're not sponsored by Penn.
Oh. Okay. There you go.
Whoa, you want your other one?
Look, you can also.
Oh,
You can also take it off. But I don't think I
those are cool, Raelynn.
will. Wow.
Yeah,
That's
Daddy
cool.
picked those out. Just throwing that out there.
Ready?
Those are so cool. I'm glad you like them. I was very excited about them.
Raelynn, there's more
Like,
presents.
I don't need to open anything else.
There's more presents.
Wow!
They got 3 of them.
Whoa.
Go ahead. Look, Raelynn. What?
Oh, she's like, that's she's like, I tried.
Best day ever.
Yeah. Yeah, I got another one. Another one for her, so she's up there.
It'd be hard to top that.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow!
But she did like that present that I picked out.
Oh
for
yeah,
her.
she loves it.
Whoa! Look, you got more! Look at that one!
Tear it. Here. What?
Open it up!
Open.
One stone.
Hey!
Who is that? Is that a bubble? Look, Raelynn. A bubble machine. Gazillion.
She's gonna love it so much.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. When she sees the thing in live action. Yeah. Uh-oh. I did just get 4 double A's. Oh, it requires 4 double A's. Not included.
That!
What is that, Raelynn?
You can
Water.
color!
She's like, oh goodness.
Color with water.
Wow.
So cool. She can have a lot.
Fancy.
She doesn't really know what it is right now.
Yeah.
What's this?
I don't know.
Then.
Oh, wait.
Wait.
Here, you wanna open this one?
Ray. I know it.
Ooh, chalk.
Yeah! She doesn't even know what to do.
She's just like, oh
She's
my
like,
god.
what is happening? I don't know.
Happy birthday, Raelynn.
Yeah.
It's Chop! How we open your
Okay, then.
Two more.
Forgot about that.
You got makeup? She told me about it
Mm-hmm.
on the way to school. Raelynn, you got makeup!
Let's open it. I think we can.
Louie dog. Louie dog.
Raelynn, look!
Bag.
You got your own makeup.
Makeup. Makeup.
Makeup.
Look, Raelynn. Baby.
You got your own brushes.
Look it. Look.
Oh.
Oh, you gotta get that makeup touching up.
Yeah, that one.
Whoa.
Look, Raelynn.
In a whole gallon of Whoa.
That's for your bubble machine, Raelynn.
And it already comes with a small pouch.
Yeah, but we're like, man, she needs to have a bubble party.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so cool, Raelynn.
Wow. Look.
How dare you? Aw. Bentley, you ready to party, bud? Yeah?
Party man.
What? On my foot. Whose pancake is this, mister? Whoa, Raelynn. Look at me. Whoa. Is that so cool? Yeah. Girl.
Hi, Christine. How's it going? Because there's two girls that work on the
Her daughter.
That's so cute.
Ready, Raelynn? Birthday girl? Whoa. Finish it. Do it.
Take a bite.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Raelynn. Happy birthday to you.
Blow. Can you blow?
Good job. Yay. So give me
Lick it.
We can't eat
Butter off though?
Hooray!
Go ahead,
Oh my
go
goodness.
ahead.
I want to. Here you go. Ready? Eat it. Touch it. She's so beautiful.
She's like, where's my fork at?
She's like,
She's like going around it so perfectly.
eat it. Oh, she's like, oh.
Num num.
No, no.
Oh.
You ready? Taylor, rub it. Look.
Cool, Raelynn.
You know who that is, Isla? Yeah. Jojo Seawallace.
Whoa. That's cool, Raelynn.
Who's this from?
I think
Who's it
so.
from? Here, Raelynn. She's like, ooh. Here, I can
Yeah.
open that for you.
Look at that.
You got vitamin C.
What's in there?
Yeah.
Careful, it's in there.
Take the rest. Look, there's more. And the little mermaid. Cool. Raelynn, you want to open this?
No.
What is it? I see a lot of It's a tunnel. We're gonna have to set this up later.
onto the school bus.
You're funny. Hey, you want a vlog?
Yeah.
The vlogging caterpillar?
This is what it looks like. It's kind of weird. So it's kind of crazy. So I'll show you right now. Let's be a caterpillar. Tap. Hey, Dad. Can you add like like spy music to this part? Yeah. Wait, hold on. My caterpillarness is drowned. Hold on. I'm not my caterpillar self. Okay. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Ah! am drowning right now in this caterpillar. Oh my gosh. I'm drowning. No, I'm drowning. And this is crazy. This is crazy. I'm literally trapped inside this caterpillar. What if we did a 24-hour challenge? Hello! Hello! This is crazy, you guys. This is crazy. Okay, so if we get 1,000 subscribers on this, we will do a 24 hours in this challenge. My dad just looked at me like, are you sure you want to do this? I am sure. We've never done a 24-hour challenge. I wonder why. And
Successful party, huh?
You don't want to go on the potty?
Birthday poops. Birthday.
She's so badly.
Yep. I look just like that tonight.
Except we didn't put it all pink and purple.
oh my god.
I'm so full.
I'm just
I've eaten 2 pieces already.
I've eaten 0, but I've had like 5 breadsticks.
And I had 2 legs of nachos.
What do you think about that, sir? You're so cute, buddy. You're so cute, Benny. There you go. Whoa! There you go, Raelynn.
Here, hold on, let her push the button. Push the button! Look, like this, watch.
Whoa!
Push the button! I'd rather be angry.
Wow! Happy birthday, big girl. High five. Yeah. Whoa.
This thing holds me.
It does.
Fast.
It does good, huh? Whoa. Say, hey, my turn.
Hello.
Hey. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Yeah. Happy birthday. Final round. Let's see. Spin on your own. 12 times.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12.
All right, folks, you can count to 12. Now pin that donkey. It's over here. You pin that donkey. There is no feeling allowed, all right? You pin that donkey and you pin it now. Are you gonna pin the donkey, Raelynn?
Raelynn, pin the donkey. You pin the donkey.
Oh, good job, Raelynn. Sissy's gonna give you a tail. She doesn't have to be blindfolded.
Yeah.
Alright, Raelynn.
Raelynn.
Here, give it to her. Raelynn, you gotta put it on the donkey.
Put it on here.
Hey,
Put it on the donkey.
look. Look.
Good.
Good job, Raelynn.
Yay! High five!
So close. So
Good
close.
job.
Better than me.
You're a natural.
Natural.
And she's the winner. Birthday girl.
Prize you get. Oh. And that's the grand prize.
Good night, Raelynn. Birthday girl.
Now performing the dancing caterpillar. Performed by me.
Beautiful. Just like you.
Inside a hole, with nowhere to go. But then you see an opening, and you gotta jump, jump to the top. Jump, jump to the top. Gotta walk through the hole, then jump. You think you see a giant caterpillar.
I've been tickled attacked. Tickle attacked. Tickle attacked for the birthday girl. It's got bop. Happy birthday, Raelynn.
Clean the
Baby.
Did you have a good birthday, Ray? Hey?
Yum.
You had a good day, huh? Did you have a good day, Sissy?
Yeah.
What about you, Mommy?
Yeah. The great thing.
Mm-hmm.
Here, and brush your teeth.
Birthday girl.
I haven't tried you much.
Raelynn, you are my birthday girl. Hey. Oh.
Yeah, Bentley.
Hey. Oh, here you go. Want to say anything to the vlog? Say I'm too. I'm too. Yeah, say goodnight. I'm too. Love you. Love you. Good night, buddy. Oh, yeah. Are you gonna ride it, Raelynn? It's a long tunnel.